When building a home in Toronto, the recommended spacing for attic baffles is between each rafter or truss. During actual construction, if plywood baffles are not used, it can be difficult to ensure proper ventilation, spacing, and effectiveness, potentially leading to insufficient airflow. Today, we've invited an expert to help us explore this issue.
So the baffle, it acts as an airway for air to travel through the soffit and to go to the attic. So the air is coming through from the soffit, going through the attic and going out from the top. So on a traditional house, they use the plastic baffle, which is the gap is very small for the air travel. But for more custom built or for mansions or for bigger houses like this, we prefer to use a solid plywood to have a bigger space so the air can travel more easily and it's never moving. So we cut a specific piece of plywood to be installed there and nailed, and that piece is never moving. So after when they install the installation will always be behind it and it will never block the airway for the soffit to the attic. Another benefit of using the plywood is when we will do the vapor barrier on the ceiling underneath the insulation, and then that will be joined to the one that is going on the wall, and we'll use the air barrier on top of the insulation and connect it to the plywood to go up on the plywood and go up. So in this way, having the plywood helps us to secure the vapor barrier that we will install on top of the insulation in the attic area.